Let's unbox Xiaomi Pad 6. Hello guys. Today we are going to unbox Xiaomi Pad 6. The Xiaomi Pad 6 is a well-balanced performance Android tablet. Snapdragon 870 octa-core 7nm processor with an Adreno GPU brings class-leading performance. Up to 8GB LPDDR5 RAM and up to 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. Installing and playing even heavy games like BGMI are simple. And they run without any hitches at high graphics settings. We have another two white boxes on it. Let's unbox it. It's a paper documents. And the other box has 33 watts fast charger with a Type A to C cable. This device offers a great visual and audio experience as well. It comes with a brilliant true color 2.8K resolution screen with 144Hz 7-stage adaptive sync refresh rate and over 1 billion colors. 550 nits brightness. 309 ppi density. DCI-P3. HDR10. MEMC. Low blue light. This device supports Dolby Vision Atmos. Enjoy a truly immersive audio experience with quad speakers and channel mapping that adjusts audio output according to your screen orientation. It comes with 13MP rear camera with dual flash support up to 4K at 30 frames per second and 8MP selfie camera. 8840 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging that can last up to 2.07 days and up to 26 plus days on standby. Connectivity options are Wi-Fi 6. Bluetooth 5.2 and USB Type-C 3.2 port that support 4K 60 frames per second output. It supports Xiaomi keyboard and 2nd gen Magic Pen with magnetic charging support. It weighs just 490 gram and 6.51 mm thickness with IP53 rated splash and dust resistant. It comes with MIUI 14 based on the latest Android 13 with HyperOS support. Please purchase through the links on description. It's a big support for our channel. Thank you for watching this video.